Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me a Google Pixel 8 Pro device, and I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this smartphone. So firstly, you need to open the control panel, and then you need to so here in the control panel you need to disable all features you don't need right now. For example, if you don't need nearby share right now, just disable it. Disable device visibility, so disable nearby share, click done. And then disable Bluetooth if you don't need it right now. Disable Wi-Fi if you're using Wi-Fi and mobile data, so disable one of them because two types of network are enabled, so they are both consuming your battery power. Disable location services, and that's it. Then open settings, scroll down and find your display. In display, you can enable the dark mode. In the dark mode, your screen will consume less battery power because you have LED screen, and when in LED screen you see black color, it means that in this place the parts of the screen are disabled in the black places, and they're not consuming the battery power, and in this way your smartphone will live longer. And the last aspect you can do is to open the battery in settings. So scroll down again, click battery, find here battery saver and enable it. And of course, you can enable the extreme battery saver. In extreme battery saver, your device will live longer. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.